So hello my beauties, welcome all of you on my channel. So today I'm going to talk about my top 5 fragrances slash deo slash EDT, no perfumes included. As we know that summers in Delhi are like hell. Yes, summers in Delhi are like hell. You heard it right. But sometimes it rains here and sometimes it does not. Sometimes it becomes, the scale goes to 45 degrees. But sometimes it comes down to 30 degree as well, or 35 degree I suppose. So coming back to the topic, so I am going to show you today my top favorite deos or fragrances or whatever you can call them, and in an affordable range, because I know girls, they are just like me, because I like collecting all sort of deos, all sort of perfume, trying new perfume, new fragrances, new deos, and because perfume really restrict us, so that's why I personally feel that deos or EDTs perform the exact same way. That doesn't mean I don't love perfume. I just, yeah, you guessed it right. So number one on my list is this Nike Women Free Soul. Yes, and because this has very light, nice gym sort of fragrance. Let me just spray and, yeah, it's like I am not the best person to describe the fragrances to you, but I'll still try. So it's like when you it's very sporty, it's not that musky, it's somewhat very fresh, aquatic, so you can definitely use it before going to gym or coming back from gym, or those days when you are in sun from a really long time. So I'm sure that this is really good. And yeah, and please check out the bottom bar for all the prices, because, and I will also link it if I can find the exact product from somewhere. So I get it from, I got it from, I guess, Sake, that Select City Walk, and from there I got this, and this as a combo in 700. So you can this smells heaven. This is just the replica. This has the same fragrance, but this is in deo form and this is in EDT form. I love this fragrance. So yeah, you can definitely buy these. Second up next, I have, and by the way, I have too many products from Oriflame in this video, so please excuse me if you don't like Oriflame, because I just love their fragrances and they are so budget friendly, and yeah, so that's why Oriflame gets a thumbs up from me. So the second one is this Nature's Sweden Nature Secrets body spray, needle and lemon. Yeah, and you must be wondering, where are these caps? Where are the caps of these things? Unfortunately, I have lost it as usual. I keep on losing my things, and my mom always is like, "Why do you do that?" And so yeah, this one is needle and lemon. It has a very lemony sort of fragrance. Let me just, yeah, and this is more fresh, like this is fresher than the Nike one, but yeah, you can also go for this amazing. And number third is again from Oriflame. This is their Amy Mystic Keres, and this is a fine fragrance mist. This is a mist, this is not a deo, and I'll just, yeah, so this is very sweet, very girly kind of fragrance. So if you like girly fragrances, you can definitely go for this. And this is like really cheap. This is 700, I suppose, so you can definitely try this out. Number fourth is from this Engage Women body spray. I think this is in G1. I got this from Amazon, and this, guys, this is my favorite out of all of these. This has very sweet smell. This is like a perfume, and the staying power of this is the longest. You can always smell this on your clothes day after, or even after washing. So yeah, this is really nice. I just can't This is heaven. So the last one, this is again from Oriflame. This is their Chitoni Gold, and Oriflame makes some of the nicest perfumes and nicest deodorants. So this one is also my favorite. This has very orangish, lemonish, not lemonish, but the base notes are lemon, very woody kind of fragrance. Yeah, so definitely this one is also my favorite, and I dropped it. But yeah, this one is also my favorite along with this. So this is something very subtle. This one is very rich, very, luxurious. This give you luxurious feeling, so you can definitely try on that. So yeah guys, with this I end my video, and do let me know which one out of this you have tried, and if you have tried all of these, do let me know in the comment section below, and which one is your favorite out of all 5 I have shown you. And yeah, so I will see you guys in my next videos. Till then, take care, bye bye.